Have you ever wondered about the role of a librarian beyond just stamping and arranging books? The importance of libraries in our society is undeniable. But do we truly understand the significance of the individuals who manage these treasure troves of knowledge? Diving into the heart of the matter, librarians play a crucial role in managing, organizing, and disseminating information. They're not just the custodians of books, but also the custodians of knowledge and information. They act as gatekeepers to a world of information, guiding us to the right resources and helping us navigate the vast sea of knowledge. Think of a librarian as a human search engine. Just as you might type in a query into Google, you would approach a librarian with a question or a need for information. Their deep understanding of their library's resources allows them to guide you to the right book, article, or database, saving you time and effort. But their role extends even beyond this. Librarians are also educators. They instill in us a love for learning and reading. Through various programs and workshops, they promote literacy and learning, fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity and growth. They help us develop vital research skills, teaching us how to discern credible sources from the not-so-reliable ones. Furthermore, librarians play a pivotal role in preserving culture and history. They catalog and preserve valuable documents, artifacts, and literature that hold the essence of our past. They ensure that these resources remain accessible to future generations, thereby keeping our history alive. In essence, librarians are the pillars that support the edifice of knowledge and learning. They are the guides who lead us through the labyrinth of information, the educators who nurture our intellectual curiosity, and the custodians who preserve our shared history and culture. In this digital age, their role has evolved to meet the needs of the modern world. They have become information managers, digital literacy experts, and advocates for intellectual freedom and privacy. They are the unsung heroes of the information age, working tirelessly to ensure that knowledge remains accessible and relevant to all. To summarize, librarians play an indispensable role in our society. They manage and organize information, guide us to the right resources, promote learning and literacy, preserve our history and culture, and adapt to the evolving needs of the digital world. Their work goes beyond the walls of the library, impacting our learning, our understanding of the world, and ultimately, our lives. So, the next time you step into a library, remember to not just appreciate the vast collection of books, but also the individual behind the desk, the librarian, who makes it all possible. Their role is far more significant and multifaceted than we often realize. They are indeed the true champions of knowledge and learning.